What's up guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today I am in Florence, Oregon at the AEV four-wheel drive in-field training event. We are super excited to have AEV parts now available on ExtremeTerrain.com. I'm more excited to get this thing out and put those to use.
Hitting some taller dunes and experiencing a little bit more pucker, pucker factor.
Yeah. So excited to rip around, you can probably already tell. We're going to be doing a little exercise where I'm going to close my eyes, and then Dave is going to be relaying spotter signs.
Left, turn the wheel left a little bit, stop, forward, and right. All right, keep going, stop. So needless to say, we are not letting Meredith drive blindfolded again.
Hey, it's all about the directions, not the driver. So this is a downward slope into
Right, nice big pull.
give it all the
Give it the beans.
give it all you got.
I want to give a huge shout out to AEV for inviting us out here, showing us their parts and what they can really do in these types of situations. We do have them available on ExtremeTerrain.com, so definitely check them out. Make sure you like and subscribe for more fun content just like this, and always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.